I really think salvation of the world is in society is found in our natural world. If I had one thing to say to my kids and to anybody watching this channel, is to get out and enjoy it. Get out and enjoy it while it lasts, for one thing, but seek it out to find those places that have some semblance of or resemblance to nature the way it used to be, at least. I think salvation of the world is in society is found in our natural world. If you're depressed or anxious or have any kind of mental illness or tired, whatever it is, I think it's worthwhile just getting outside as much as you can, even if your mobility is limited. Do what you can to get outside and breathe that fresh air and get some kind of nature. Breathe that nature and touch a tree, breathe the air around a tree, whatever it is. I really believe that's worthwhile. I think salvation of the world is in society is found in our natural world.